Feel the ocean as it breathes.
Can you tell us a little bit about Icelandic wild animals and what it is?
Wild animals are just animals that do live in the wild, like the name suggests. But in Iceland, that would be like duck, goose, puffin, reindeer. We've got salmon and some trout, and then we have animals that we don't exactly hunt for eating. Like we've got the fox, the Arctic fox, for example. We do hunt that, but we do not eat that. Wild animals, just animals that are not bred or live in a farm.
Are you allowed to hunt whenever you want, or are there any special hunting seasons?
Yeah, of course there are some special hunting seasons. We've got the reindeer, which is from July till September, and then we've got the goose, which is from 20th of August, and the duck, which is from the 1st of September, and both are till March.
What do you need to hunt wild animals?
Of course, just a good weapon. We usually use a shotgun for birds. Some people like to use a rifle for that, but most people just use a shotgun for the bird hunting. And when we're hunting reindeer, we always use a rifle.
You process the meat yourself?
Yeah, we do process all our meat self. Some people like to take it to a professional to process it, but most hunters like to do it themselves.
Do you need any sort of approval or license for reindeer hunting?
Yes, we do. Just like with any other sort of hunting, we need hunting license, and if we are hunting with guns, obviously we do need gun license. But with the reindeer, we need to file in a request to get a reindeer to hunt, and then we are chosen at random who will get a deer to hunt.
Hæla sem rísa við fjallana tinda, þær synda í regnum sem mun mynda ringulreið sem þær óskuðu eftir farar að líta. Þú býður þær býta, það svíður þér kýta, nýta hvert gullið tækifæri á kvöldi sem þessu, og inn í klassu undir pressu að verði með sverði. Hvað sem ég gerði var það að hættingur, ekkert fyrir því taktu mig, dansaðu, sýndu mér, glassaðu í gömlu dóti sem þú finnur. Ef þú vinnur verður þunnu góðir sem þú kemur niður. Glasið og glimur sem festist í hári, minn sári sakna með tári, morganinn klári á Reykjavík, þú mín. 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 Reykjavík, þú Found